Stainless steel has become a favored choice in modern kitchens and appliances, celebrated for its sleek appearance and durability. However, the very qualities that make it appealing can also lead to frustration. Streaks and fingerprints seem to appear out of nowhere, transforming a once pristine surface into a canvas of smudges. Many people find themselves perplexed by the challenge of keeping stainless steel sparkling and shiny. Fortunately, there are tried-and-true methods, tools, and products that can help restore that lustrous finish without causing damage. The first step in mastering the art of cleaning stainless steel is understanding the nature of the material. Stainless steel is not truly stain-proof. It's simply more resistant to corrosion and rust than other metals. However, it can still attract dirt, grease, and grime, which can be exacerbated by improper cleaning techniques. To avoid damaging the surface, it's crucial to choose the right tools. Avoid abrasive scrubbers or steel wool, as these can scratch the surface and create more problems than they solve. Instead, opt for soft microfiber cloths or non-abrasive sponges. These tools are gentle yet effective, ideal for maintaining the sleek finish of stainless steel. When it comes to cleaning products, there are plenty of options available, but not all are created equal. Many commercial cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can strip away the protective layer of the stainless steel, leaving it vulnerable to damage. A safer approach is to use a gentle dish soap mixed with warm water. This simple solution can effectively lift grime without the risk of scratching or dulling the surface. Just a few drops of dish soap in a bowl of warm water can work wonders. Dampen a microfiber cloth in the soapy water, wring it out, and wipe down the surface in the direction of the grain. This technique not only cleans, but also helps maintain the natural luster of the stainless steel. For those stubborn spots that refuse to budge, a mixture of vinegar and olive oil can be a game changer. Vinegar is a natural cleaner that cuts through grease and grime, while olive oil adds a protective layer that enhances shine. To create this homemade solution, combine equal parts white vinegar and olive oil in a spray bottle. Shake well before use. Spray the mixture onto the stainless steel surface and wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth, again following the grain. The vinegar will tackle tough spots, while the olive oil will leave a brilliant finish. This method is not only effective, but also economical, utilizing ingredients that many people already have in their kitchens. Another effective homemade solution involves baking soda, which is renowned for its versatility. To create a paste, mix baking soda with a small amount of water until it reaches a spreadable consistency. Apply the paste to any areas with stubborn stains or discoloration, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, using a damp cloth, gently scrub the area in the direction of the grain. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a clean cloth. This method is particularly useful for removing tarnish and restoring the surface to its original shine. One common mistake people make when cleaning stainless steel is using too much product. Whether it's a cleaner, oil, or homemade solution, less is often more. Applying too much product can lead to streaks and residue, which is counterproductive to achieving that shiny finish. A light touch is all that's needed. Just a few sprays or a small amount of paste can go a long way. After cleaning, it's essential to dry the surface immediately with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. This step helps prevent water spots and streaks from forming, ensuring that the final result is a gleaming surface. Maintaining the beauty of stainless steel doesn't end with cleaning. Regular upkeep is key to preventing buildup and keeping surfaces looking their best. A quick daily wipe down with a damp cloth can help remove fingerprints and dust before they have a chance to accumulate. For busy households, this can be a simple yet effective habit to incorporate into the daily routine. Additionally, addressing spills promptly can prevent stains from setting in, making future cleaning much easier. In addition to these methods, it's worth noting that the type of stainless steel can influence cleaning techniques. Different grades of stainless steel may require slightly different care. For instance, brushed stainless steel surfaces may require a different approach than polished finishes. Always take a moment to assess the surface type and follow the grain when cleaning to avoid creating new scratches or marks. As we recap the key techniques and solutions for maintaining stainless steel, it becomes clear that achieving a professional finish is within reach for anyone willing to put in a little effort. Start with the right tools. Soft microfiber cloths and non-abrasive sponges are essential. Opt for gentle cleaning solutions like warm soapy water, or create effective homemade mixtures using vinegar and olive oil or baking soda paste. Remember to apply products sparingly, dry surfaces immediately after cleaning, and maintain a regular cleaning schedule to prevent buildup. With these strategies in hand, anyone can keep their stainless steel surfaces sparkling and shiny, free from streaks and fingerprints. The satisfaction of seeing your stainless steel appliances gleam in the light is well worth the effort, transforming your kitchen into a space that feels fresh and inviting. Embrace the art of cleaning stainless steel and enjoy the beauty and durability that this remarkable material has to offer.